Hello my dear students, in this video I will be discussing about class 9 chapter 10 circles theorem 10.8. Okay, the angle subtended by an arc at the center is double the angle subtended by it at any point on the remaining part of the circle. So what is the angle subtended by an arc at the center? It means that from the this is the circle and this is the point O. Point O is the center of the circle. Okay, take any point PQ. Okay, take any point PQ. So P and Q are the 2 points, okay, on the circle. So now what you do, that's you join this point with this center. OP and OQ is the center. OP and OQ. Okay, now what you get is that you get an angle. This is what angle subtended by an arc at the center. Clear? Now is double means is equal to twice. Is double the angle subtended by it and any point on the remaining part of the circle. अब क्या है कि ये माइनर आर्क है मेरा, ठीक है. अब मेजर आर्क पे आप कोई भी एक पॉइंट ले लो. ओके, यू टेक एनी पॉइंट आर, से आर. नाउ जॉइन दिस आर विथ पी एंड आर विथ क्यू. Clear? R with P and R with Q. When you join this point, what you get is that you get an angle here. You get an angle here again. So basically what you need to prove that angle POR is equal to twice of angle PRQ. So basically if your angle PRQ, okay, if your angle PRQ is 20 degree, okay, if your angle PRQ is 20 degree, then what you have to do, that what will be POQ? POQ is equal to 2 into PRQ, right, is equal to 40 degree. It will be 40 degree, right? So likewise you have to prove this. So come on, let us prove this. So basically for this theorem 3 cases arises. The 3 cases are for the minor case, for this minor case. The second case is for the semicircle. For the semicircle, major arc and minor arc, they both are equal. Major arc and minor arc, they both are equal. Okay. And for the third case, we will be taking the major arc. The major arc we will be taking, and on the remaining part, okay, on the remaining part of the circle will be the minor arc. Okay, the minor arc will be here. Okay, let us prove this. Now first of all, basically we need to write the given part. For the given part, a circle with center O with an arc PQ. PQ के ऊपर में एक छोटा सा लाइन होगा, ठीक है. लाइन भी नहीं होगा, ये थोड़ा कर्व टाइप होगा, छोटा सा कर्व टाइप होगा. इसका मतलब क्या हो गया, ये आर्क PQ है. एंड ए पॉइंट R ऑन द रिमेनिंग पार्ट, दैट इज QP आर्क, ठीक है. टू प्रूव, व्हाट वी हैव टू प्रूव, दैट एंगल POQ इज इक्वल टू ट्वाइस ऑफ एंगल PRQ. एंगल POQ मेरा क्या है, एंगल सबटेंडेड बाय एन आर्क एट द सेंटर है, ठीक है. एंड एंगल PRQ मेरा क्या है, एंगल सबटेंडेड बाय इट एट any point on the remaining part of the circle. Okay, now construction part, what we have to do, that we have to join this RO and produce it to point M outside the circle. In three diagram we will do a construction. We will join this RO, okay, and produce it to point M outside the circle. Clear? For the 3 cases we will be doing like this way. Okay, so now let us prove it for case 1. For the case 1, what we are taking is that we are taking the minor arc, right? Now see, in triangle POR, angle POM is the exterior angle, right? This is the exterior angle. If this is the triangle, then this is the exterior angle. So we can say that angle POM is equal to angle OPR plus angle ORP. Angle OPR plus angle ORP. Clear? So since exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the interior opposite angle, right? So now basically the funda is here is that in triangle POR, OP is equal to OR are equal. Okay, OP and OR are equal. So triangle POR is an isosceles triangle. So we can say that angle OPR is equal to angle ORP, because angle opposite to equal side of are equal. Angle opposite to equal sides are equal. Okay, now so therefore angle POM is equal to angle OPR plus angle ORP. So in place of OPR, what we will do, that we will place this ORP here. Okay, so angle ORP plus angle ORP is equal to twice of angle ORP. Put this as equation number 1. Okay, now we will be taking triangle OQR, triangle QOR we will be taking, and triangle angle QOM is my exterior angle. Okay, so angle QOM, if it is my exterior angle, then angle OQR is equal to angle ORQ. Reason, exterior angle, right? Exterior angle property we will be using, right? Exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of interior opposite angle. So here we will be writing the reason. So in place of OQR we will be writing ORQ. Reason, since triangle OQR is an isosceles triangle, so angle opposite to equal sides are equal. So angle QOM is equal to twice of angle ORQ. Okay, put this as equation number 2. Now see one thing. Now what you will be doing, that you add these two equation. Okay, by adding these two equation, what we get is that angle POM plus angle QOM is equal to twice of angle ORP plus twice of angle ORQ. Okay, so angle POM plus QOM, QOM, it forms this angle, right? POQ. So POQ is the angle that we got, is equal to twice of angle ORP plus angle ORQ. So angle POQ is equal to twice of angle PRQ. So here ORP plus ORQ, ORQ, basically this angle and this angle, this is the adjacent angle, right? So what it forms is that PRQ it forms. So we got twice of angle PRQ. So this is the proof for case 1 when we take the minor arc. Okay, now for the case 2, let us prove for the case 2. For the case 2, when PQ is a semicircle, okay, PQ is a semicircle means when the major arc and minor arc they both are equal. Okay, when the major arc and the minor arc they both are equal. So in triangle POR, angle POM is an exterior angle. The same way we will be proving as we have proved for the case 1. Okay, so angle POM is equal to angle OPR plus ORP. Reason, exterior angle of triangle is equal to the same sum of interior opposite angle, right? So angle POM is equal to angle ORP plus angle ORP. Okay, reason, since angle opposite to equal sides are equal, since in this triangle this and this are equal because same radius, right? If same radius, then angle opposite to the equal sides are equal, isosceles triangle property. So angle OPM is equal to twice of angle ORP. So put this equation 3. Likewise you will be proving for angle QOM. QOM is an exterior angle. Angle QOM is equal to OQR plus ORQ. Reason, exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of interior opposite angle. Now angle QOM is equal to angle ORQ plus angle ORQ. So angle QOM is equal to twice of angle ORQ. Okay, put this as equation number 4. Now what you do, that add this equation number 3 and equation number 4. Add this equation number 3 and equation number 4. By adding this, the same you will get that angle POQ is equal to angle PRQ. So POM and QOM it forms what? Angle POQ. Okay, POQ. And OPR, okay, ORP and ORQ it forms PRQ angle. Okay, the same proof just as case 1. Okay, the difference is that what you will be getting, that by adding these two angle you will be getting this straight line. So this basically this angle will be what? For the semicircle the angle will be 180 degree. If this angle is 180 degree, that means this angle will be what? 90 degree, right? This angle will be what? 90 degree. Clear? Now let us go to the case 3rd. For the case 3rd is that when PQ is a major arc. When PQ is a major arc. Major arc means I am taking the major arc here, downside, downward part. Okay, the downward part, this is what? This is what the major arc. Okay, this is what the major arc. Major arc PQ. Clear? Now in triangle the same way we will be proving. Okay, in triangle POR in triangle POR, this is the exterior angle, right? This is the exterior angle. If this is the exterior angle, then angle OPR plus angle ORP is equal to, right, angle POM is equal to angle OPR plus angle ORP. Reason, exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of interior opposite angle. Okay, so we will get angle POM is equal to twice of angle ORP. Okay, equation number 4. Clear? Now, in triangle QOR, this is the exterior angle. So here the same property, angle QOM is equal to angle OQR plus angle ORQ. Reason, the same reason, exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of interior opposite angle. Now, angle QOM is equal to angle ORQ plus angle ORQ. Reason, angle opposite to equal sides are equal. Angle OQR is equal to angle ORQ. So angle QOM मेरे क्या मिलता है? Twice of angle ORQ. Put this equation 6. Now what you do, add this equation number 5 with equation number 6. What you get is that angle POQ is equal to twice of angle PRQ. So here basically what is this angle POQ? What is this angle POQ? This angle POQ is less than 360 degree. Okay, see, basically angle POQ is what? Basically this is less than 360 degree but greater than 180 degree. Okay, greater than 180 degree. That means this angle POQ is what? Is my reflex angle. So reflex angle POQ is equal to twice of angle PRQ. Reflex angle POQ is equal to twice of angle PRQ. Clear? So for the third case, major arc, what we are getting that reflex angle POQ is equal to twice of angle PRQ. Okay, so I hope you like this video. So do subscribe this channel for more updates in future, and please press the bell icon for future updates. Thank you students, catch you on the next video.